guys, welcome back. My name is Gigi. I am so glad you're here today. Today's video, as you can see, I'm in my bedroom. I wanted to show you guys my bedroom because I haven't really shown you guys an update, but this is what we have done to the bedroom so far. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my bed easily and make it look luxurious. So let's jump right into it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe now so you don't miss any videos that I have coming up, and don't forget the notification bell so that way you know every time I post a new video. Alright, so when I'm really in the mood to fix my bed really nice, I make sure I get everything off the bed and then straighten my my sheets and start putting the pillow in and stuff. But this is like a morning routine thing because I'm not changing the sheets or anything like that. I'm just making it look nice. That way I don't jump back in the bed. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm gonna put the flat sheet on there right now, and then I'm gonna fix the pillows, and you're gonna see how I fix it to make it look nice. And then I'm gonna put a tray, it's Christmas, is the season now. I'm gonna put a tray and put some flowers and make it look nice, and you're gonna see how I do that. So stay tuned and see how this bed became so luxurious. And don't forget to give me a like. Okay, this video is not long, it's a short video. I wanted to show you guys what I do when I wake up in the morning. Granted, I don't do that every morning, but when I do, when I feel good, when I wake up and not trying to jump back in the bed, I fix my bed. So these pillows, I'm just pushing my hand in inside of them to make them kind of stay up and look really nice. So this is why if you have a pillow like that and it can't do it, because I used to have this pillow and it wouldn't do that, I just keep training it and now it does it. So after I'm done fixing my bed, I'm gonna wipe down and dust off all the dust that's been in the room. So I'm gonna wipe down the table, fluff up the pillows, and then wipe down the nightstands and stuff, and then broom the floor, and then I'm gonna be done with the room. So this is, I wanted to show you guys that because it literally take me no time to do this. And if ever you're feeling lazy, you can just get up and fix your room, and you're gonna feel so much energized. Because that day after I was done fixing that room, I recorded 2 more videos after I did this, and that day I was lazy. So just to tell you, it's whenever you're feeling down, just do something that will make you motivated. Because my room being nice kind of make me motivated, because I started taking pictures for Instagram. I realized how nice it look. I started taking pictures and post on Instagram. If you're not following me, my name is gg.million. So yeah, just do something like that and you'll feel much better.
On the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I was on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday.
Alright, so this is the finished look. I am so glad that you stopped by today. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's my